Days. Fertilization begins when a sperm meets an egg, forming a zygote. The zygote quickly starts dividing, creating the first cells of life. Early structures form, preparing for embryo development. Let's move.
Within days, the single-celled zygote has multiplied again and again, building a 32-cell sphere called a morula. Fluid seeps in, hollowing the center to form a blastula. Inside a cluster of cells, the inner cell mass will become the embryo itself.
During gastrulation, cells arrange into 3 layers. The outer ectoderm becomes skin and the nervous system. The middle mesoderm gives rise to muscle and many of the body's organs. And the inner endoderm forms the gut and internal organs.
Next, the neural tube forms, which will become the brain and spinal cord. This critical stage sets up the body's central structure.
In early development, primordial germ cells migrate from the yolk sac toward the forming gonadal ridge. As they travel, they divide repeatedly, guided by signals within the embryonic tissue. Once settled in the ridge, these cells continue to proliferate.
In the female reproductive tract, sperm cells encounter a new environment. They respond. Their tails beat faster, propulsion sharpening with every stroke. At the same time, the surface of the head transforms. Lipids loosen, proteins rotate, and tiny gateways open. This biochemical...
The sperm releases enzymes to penetrate the egg's protective layers. Once it fuses with the egg, a unique zygote with combined genetic material is formed. In fact,
after fertilization, a wave of calcium ripples through the egg. Cortical granules fuse with the membrane and release their contents, hardening the outer layer and blocking any additional sperm. Inside, the egg and sperm pronuclei draw together. From the sperm comes a centriole, which organizes.
During the first 8 weeks, the embryo undergoes organogenesis. Early organs like the heart and somites begin to form, laying the foundation for vital body systems.
9 to 37 mark the fetal period. During this time, the embryo transforms into a fetus, growing extensively while arms and legs shape, digits separate, and fine features emerge. Organ systems continue to differentiate, practicing their functions in
embryo. Gametogenesis begins in the fetal period and continues into puberty. Male and female gonads differentiate and prepare for future reproduction.
Hormones like FSH, LH, and progesterone prepare the uterus for implantation and support the early embryo. Proper hormonal balance is crucial for a healthy pregnancy.